Alright, welcome back. We're back at the garage. So, we are going to work on the bike finally. Don't quite remember where I left off. I thought I had ruined my engine, and pretty much did. Think it was piston slap, and so we're replacing the top end, the pistons and cylinders. Mine I couldn't use again, so we had a used set board and bought new pistons for it, and we got a whole gasket set. So we're just gonna reassemble the top end. Noise should be gone, and we gotta go to Born Free this weekend, so we gotta get it built and broken in this week. All right, let's start. Come with me. So I was gonna do this in a different video, but we got some shocks. Ta-da! They're drag specialty, heavy duty, 13-inch adjust. So I'm gonna measure them out and slap them on and be a lifted Dynabro. So yeah, let's get to it. So if anybody wants some old Harley adjustable touring shocks, let me know.
You can have them.
Hey!
Oh, I mean,
All right, she's built, oil, time to run. Woo! You hear that? She lives. Piston slap. I'll make another video telling people what it sounds like. It was really hard to figure it out. New shocks are on, in place, beautiful. Get the muffler put on. We're gonna do another heat cycle. And then I gotta go to work, and we gotta ride this thing a few hundred miles to break in. It's Tuesday, and we have to do this by Saturday. All right. Okay, heat cycle round 2.
it does sound different.
All right, it is built, it is ready. Now I gotta take it home. So that'll be another day. Anyways, I gotta go to work, bye. Okay, and it's pickup day. It's finished. Let's have a look. The back has been lifted about 2 inches. I think I went from 11.5 to 13.5. I like it, and it's softer than the old touring stuff that I had on there, so it'll be a more comfortable ride. But I'm just stoked to have it up. So I'm gonna do the 1 to 5 mile break-in, and then around 50 miles, and then I'm just gonna ride for the rest of the day as much as I can without getting it too hot. I'll bring you along for some of it. We'll chat. All right, she is alive. Oh man, I'm so excited. Time to go. Oh man, the bike feels way taller now with the ass lifted. Holy hell. I don't even know what direction I'm going right now. Gotta keep my RPMs low for now. Doesn't help too much that I don't have a tack, but we'll manage. Everything feels good, like it's working though. Figure we go down to the beach. Ooh, don't look at my registration, copper. Yeah, it's been a while since I've ridden it, okay? It died. Alright, now we get to hang outside of the gas station. Let her cool down for a little bit. Probably half hour. Yeah, I went about almost 2 miles, so now it's gotta cool. Alright, boys and girls, we've let it cool down quite a bit. Now we're gonna head out to Long Beach, then go down to PCH and cruise PCH for a little bit. Oh, that breeze feels good because it is hot today. I smell oil. Where's that oil coming from? Me, god damn it. Oh, that really sucks. just what I needed. Another oil leak. Excellent. 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 Shit. So what it appears to be, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but in there, push rod tube base seems to have pushed the gasket out underneath it. So it looks like that part of the gasket is not actually, functional. I think I'm gonna head either to AutoZone or there's a shop close by. They weren't too friendly, but they might let me borrow a tool. The only thing that makes me a little bit nervous is just having the oil on the right side of my rear tire. Oy, oy, oy. What a pain in my ass. Yeah, that feels really stupid. It must have been the pushrod bases when I was putting them, or the pushrod tubes, putting them back in. Time for AutoZone. Alright, I'm gonna have to put it over here in the shade. Alright, let's go inside and get a 1/4 inch. Sorry, I didn't record like any of that because I was really distraught. I fixed it. The O-ring gasket was on the outside, so it was shooting oil up on the back side of that, and that's why it's all over the back here. But I was able to slide the bases up, get my O-rings back in, and get them back down and bolted on. So we're good. No oil leak. That fucked me up. I thought we were gonna miss born free. Anyway, we're good. Let's get back on the road. Let's hit the good old traffic circle. All right, and we're in Seal Beach. Come up on the naval dock here. Oh, it feels so friggin' good to be back on this thing, and I'll tell you, pulling over to make that fix, that is so satisfying, being able to troubleshoot that and figure it out and fix it. Just a 1/4 inch Allen and a folded up piece of cardboard. Managed to get that O-ring back in, get rolling again without a leak. Of course, I'll check it again when I stop, but it's such a small leak in the first place. But I'm pretty sure it's gone. Woo! I like bike. Looking good on the oil. I could still smell it because there's plenty burning down there. Now there's the proper beach. What up, California? Okay, so as you can see, it's bright and early and I'm at home and the bike is running again. We hit the bar yesterday and didn't leave until like maybe 10:30, 11 p.m. I didn't get to do all the break-in I needed to do, so now we are going to go do some more break-in. I'm just gonna take a long route on the way into work, get some miles in, because we're still gonna be doing more break-in tomorrow. I'm hearing a weird, high-pitched metal tinking sound that I don't like. Huh. Well, that's fun. It's always something, isn't it? What is that noise? Well, Mr. Johnny, it appears we have forgotten to tighten a motor mount. Unless it just vibrated its ass on out. No, I don't think we did. I think I remember seeing it like this. Shit. Alright, let's tighten that up for now, I guess. That'll be fun. At least I found the noise. I'll have him bring the stuff we need to slap those on when we meet up tomorrow, because we're meeting up tomorrow for Born Free. And I'll still be in the break-in period, which is not what I wanted, but, I couldn't do the oil change this morning on only about 100 miles, so gotta do more miles. Anyway, gonna take the long way in today. I'm so glad this thing is up and running though. Oh my gosh. I have to get used to it again because it's just been so long. Not to mention, I didn't even get to finish tuning it before it busted last time. It's at a pretty good spot right now. I just turned the idle up a little bit and now it seems to run pretty nicely. Anyways, we're gonna get back to the road here, get some riding in, check out some of the views in super hot SoCal today. that's gonna about do it for this episode, guys. Thanks for coming to check out my video. Glad we got all this done. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see y'all in the next one. Until then, y'all ride safe now, you hear? Stoplight.